Thank you for joining this lesson. We are going to continue with mathematics prediction, paper 2, number 5. We are told if one root of a quadratic equation is 3 out of 2, find the value of c, hence the other root of the equation, 6x squared minus 11x plus c equals to 0. So this is an equation where the constant here is unknown, and we have to first find it and proceed to solve for the other root of x. Therefore, we shall say x is usually given by negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac. Then we divide by 2 the value of a. This is the general formula we use to get the value of x in a quadratic equation. So for us to get x, we need negative b, and our b is negative 11. So negative 11 becomes positive 11 plus or minus the square root of 11 squared, which is 121, minus 4. A is 6 and c is unknown. Then divided by 2 times 6, which is 12. So we're going to have x as 11 plus or minus the square root of 121 minus 24c out of 12. But remember, the roots of x, we have one known as 3 out of 2 equals to 11 plus or minus the square root of 121 minus 24c out of 12. So now we can multiply through by 12 and by 12 this side, so that we may have 6 by 3, which is 18. So 18 is equal to 11 plus or minus the square root of 121 minus 24c. Minus 24c. We take 11 to this side, so that we have 7 equals to square root of 121 minus 24c. To do away with the square root sign, we square both sides, so that 49 equals to 121 minus 24c. And now we can remain with 24c on one side, and we have 121 minus 49 giving us 72, so that c equals to 3. So the value of c is 3. This means the equation can be rewritten as 6x squared minus 11x plus 3 equals to 0. Therefore, we have now the complete expression of the quadratic equation. This means we can solve for the other root. Now that one root is known as 3 out of 2, so the other root of x can also be solved using the quadratic formula, the completing square method, or the method of factorization.